there. Welcome to 2025 Jill Court in Simi Valley. Come on in. First thing you'll notice is that lovely fireplace in the living room. Nice windows and hard surface flooring throughout all the living areas. This has all been put in just in the last few months. There's nice dual pane sliding doors to the rear of the property and decorator shelves in the living room. It's an open concept floor plan with the open kitchen eating area to the family room. Ceiling fan. There's a little extra enclosed bonus area, rough finish. So from the living room, we'll go down to the hallway here. CO2 detector in place, coat closet. Immediately to your right here is the hall guest bathroom with the tub shower combination. Again, hard surface flooring, fresh paint throughout. Nice baseboards. Secondary bedrooms, actually all bedrooms have carpet. Both secondary bedrooms face the front of the home. Windows have the vertical blinds, closet doors in place. So for $2,750 a month and a $3,000 security deposit, we will consider a pet upon approval of an application and pet. There are no vicious breeds allowed. You'll notice the big linen closet we just focused there. Master bedroom here faces the rear of the yard and has mirrored closet doors. Adjacent to the bedroom or part of the master bedroom is the master bathroom dressing area. This opens to the master stall shower. Thank you for visiting Jill Court.